If you've been spending time with someone you really like, you might be ready to ask them to be your girlfriend. It's totally normal to feel nervous. But with a little bit of planning and some tips, you can ask the question without too much stress. If the timing is right and she feels the same way, you might just get a girlfriend. How to casually ask a girl to be your girlfriend. Getting to know her. To get to know someone you're interested in, start by having conversations with her. You can ask about her interests, hobbies, and what she enjoys doing in her free time. Flirting a little bit with casual hand touches or compliments can also show your interest in her. You can talk with her in a one-on-one setting, or in a group if that's more comfortable for you. If you've already been on a few dates with her, then you may already know a lot about her, which is helpful in building a connection. Engage in some light conversation. Engaging in light conversation is a great way to start things up. When you're hanging out with the girl you're interested in, you can ask about her day, share a funny story, or inquire about what she has been up to recently. Even if you're planning on asking her to be your girlfriend, there is no need to rush into it. Compliments are always a good icebreaker. If you're not sure what to say, you can try something like, "You look great today," or, "I really enjoy your laugh." You can also keep the conversation casual by asking questions like, "How's work going?" or, "Are you staying cool in this hot weather?" Confess your feelings and ask her to be your girlfriend. When you feel like the time is right, take the conversation to a more serious level and confess your feelings to the girl. Let her know that you like her and ask her if she would like to be your girlfriend. This can be the most daunting part of the conversation, but try to remain calm and confident. You could say something like, "We've been spending time together, and I've really enjoyed it. I'm starting to have feelings for you. Would you like to be my girlfriend?" Alternatively, if you have been friends for a while, you can say, "I feel like we've known each other for a long time and I have developed feelings for you. I was wondering if you would like to be my girlfriend?" Remember to be honest and direct while also respecting her decision if she needs more time to think about it. Remaining calm regardless of her response. No matter how she responds, it's important to stay calm. If she says yes, it's a reason to celebrate. You can express your excitement and relief, and move the conversation to another topic to enjoy the rest of the night. If she says no or isn't interested in a relationship, don't worry about it. There could be many reasons for her response, and it likely has nothing to do with you. You can still enjoy hanging out with her as a friend or choose to end the night and head home.
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button to show your support. Don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you.